Hey there, grade 3 students. Once again, this is Teacher Ray, your math English teacher. And welcome again to our online class. So for today's lesson, we will be talking about reading and writing 4-digit numbers. All right, so I have here a picture block. So now there are 4 types of blocks that we have here. So we have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. Now, let's count how many ones can you see? Very good. So there are 4 ones. How many tens? There are 110. How many hundreds? There are 100. And how about thousands? There are, okay, so there is 1,000. Okay, so how are we going to read this number? So we read this number as 1,113. Again, 1,113. Let's have another example. Okay, so let's look at this picture block. All right, so I have here an expander. So how many ones do we have? There are, good job. So there are 3 ones. How many tens? Good job, 4 tens. How many hundreds? All right, 500. And how many thousands? 2 thousands. So how are we going to read this number? So let's start from 2,543. Again, so it is 2,543. All right, so let's have another example. Okay, so look at the picture block and the expander. How many ones do we have? 5 ones, 110. Do we have hundreds? No. Okay, so it should be 0. And how many thousands? 1. So we read that as 1,015. Again, 1,015. All right, good job. Next. All right, so let's do this. All right, so look at the picture block and let's write that on the expander. So there are 5 ones, 4 tens. How many hundreds? Good job, that's 3 hundreds and 2 thousands. So we read that number as 2,345. Again, 2,345. How about this one? There are 7 ones, 110, 0, 100, and 3 thousands. So we read that as 3,017. Again, 3,017. Let's have another one. All right, and our expander. So there are how many ones? There are 8 ones, 2 tens, 100, and 1,000. How are we going to read that number? Good job. It is 1,128. Again, 1,128. All right, so for now, let's have your assignment. So you get a piece of paper or your notebook, write your name, your section, and your number. So we have here 6 items. The first item is already given for you. All right, so what number are we going to write on the blank? How many ones do we have? 1. How many tens? 3 tens. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. And 1,000, 2,000. So we read that number as 2,231. Again, 2,231. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.